It says x minus 5 is less than negative 3, and then graph the solution. As I'm seeing that x is still on the same side as negative 5, so what I'm going to do to get those away from one another is add 5 to both sides. These two 5s will cancel out, so all I'm left with is x. I bring down my less than symbol, and negative 3 and a positive 5 make a positive 2, so my solution will be x is less than 2. Remember how to graph these? You could just put 3 numbers on the number line, 2, and then the number to the left of it, which is 1, a number to the right of it, which is 3. It's going to be an open circle because 2 is not a part of the solution, and I'm going to point to 1 because 1 is less than 2. The reason why I'm not pointing to 3 is if I put 3 where x is, 3 is not less than 2, so I would not point there. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually write this question down. Here is you're just going to show opposite operation. And you're going to be writing this page down, so if you want to, you can copy as I go. So let's show the opposite operation. We see a positive 4 on this same side as y, so to get y by itself, I'm going to subtract 4, so that y is greater than, y is greater than probably 5, because we got 9 and negative 4, so that makes 5. And then step 2 will be to graph. Okay. As you're graphing, you're focusing on this number that's given to you. So the number that's given to me is 5. You're putting one number to the left of 5 and one number to the right of 5. We will have an open circle because 5 is not a part of the solution. And a little reminder that you can write in your notes, you always want to point to the truth. So that just means if you plug in 4 for y, and if you plug in 6 for y, which one is true? 4 is not greater than 5, so we can't point to the 4. But 6 is greater than 5, so that means all of my solutions are going to be this way on the graph. Okay? Go ahead and take time now.